Yoga is an ancient physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in India. The word yoga is derived from Sanskrit and means to join or to unite, symbolizing the union of body and consciousness. Today, it is practiced in various forms around the world and continues to grow in popularity. Recognizing its universal appeal, on 11th December 2014, the United Nations proclaimed 21st June as the International Day of Yoga by Resolution 69 by 131. The International Day of Yoga aims to raise awareness worldwide of the many benefits of practicing yoga. In Shillong, the International Day of Yoga was celebrated by MIT University Meghalaya in collaboration with Sri Aurobindo Institute of Culture, Shillong. The theme of this year's International Yoga Day is Yoga for Humanity. The chief guest on the occasion was the Pro-Vice Chancellor of MIT University, Dr. Devmalya Bhattacharya, while others present included the Principal of Mother School and Media Executive of Sri Aurobindo Institute of Culture, Shillong, Farida Khan, yoga trainer Hemant Kumar, staff and students of MIT University, besides others. As part of the celebration, the inaugural lamp was lighted by the chief guest and special invitees, which was also followed by a yoga session led by Hemant Kumar.
So, since today we have celebrated a Yoga Day in the Aurobindo Ashram, it was very wonderful. As we all know, yoga has been celebrated throughout the world today, the 8th International Day of Yoga. And yoga is an ancient tool which is brought by our Rishi and Munis who have been passed down through many generations. But today yoga has been understood in a very scientific term, and it has got a lot of scientific backups. Yoga is very much beneficial in the health, in the way of life, and yoga is to be lived. So it will be beneficial to everybody if they make up yoga as a daily practice. In the mind, in the body, in the behavior, in the ecological balance. So I wish on the yoga day that everybody will participate more for the coming time, the yoga, and we always welcome everybody that one can come to us and get more guidance how to practice yoga.
MIT University Shillong wishes all of you a very happy 8th International Yoga Day. Today, as a university, we have taken the initiative to gather our students, the staffs alike, and it is an open event where we organized a yoga session with our master Hemant Sharma, who was the guide for this morning's program.